Well, my name is Terry, and I want to say that we were so pleased with Swim Carefree and the work that they did remodeling our pool. Couldn't have asked for a better, more cooperative, more honest, trustworthy company. Um, they guided us through the whole process, took me out to shop for tile. Um, was amazed that they did that. Steve was just amazing with that process. They sat with us, helped us pick tile, picked our the plaster, picked the finishing, guided us to what would look good, what maybe wouldn't look as good. Um, we were just thrilled. Got 3 estimates. Swim Carefree wasn't the least expensive, but we had had experience with them in the past fixing components of our pool, and we knew that they were trustworthy, and we decided that it was definitely worth the price to pay a little bit more because we knew what we were getting. We knew we were getting quality. We knew that they were going to do what they said they were going to do, and if they didn't, they would make it right. So we were really pleased and really thankful, grateful to Heather, Steve, Cassandra, and the entire team. Easy to work with, and we were thrilled. Thank you so much.